Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the first task which we are going to do is the progressive group task. What task? Progressive group task. So you can look at the various obstacles which are here, right? You have to cross them. As the name suggests, progressive group task, meaning the initial obstacles would be simpler in nature. They would be easier to bridge. As you progress towards the second, third, the structures will not remain as simple as they are initially. Fine? You have to bridge these obstacles and you have to reach towards the end. Now you have to follow some rules. First one, the color rule. You have your helping materials?
Yes, sir.
You have three prominent colors over here. Red is out of bound. You cannot touch, your helping material cannot touch. White, you can also touch, your helping material can also touch. Blue, only you can touch, your helping material will not touch. Color rule clear?
Yes, sir.
Second, the 4 feet rule. You are not supposed to land on this part, right? This is out of bound. You are not supposed to jump a distance which is more than 4 feet. You can jump a distance which is less than or equal to 4 feet. Now the infinity rule. You cannot go behind this line and you go and cross that obstacle right there. No. These lines which are there, these are extended to infinity. Clear? So it is simple. You have to cross these obstacles by using the helping material, following the color rule. The group rule means whole of the group till the time whole of the group will not come towards this place, the task will not be considered as completed. Once you come here, then you have to start the next task. You, your helping material and your load which you are carrying, which in your case is what? Explosives. Bucket. Explosives. You, your whole group, your helping material and your load must reach towards the end. Okay, nothing should remain behind. Clear, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to start this. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, please ask. Because once the task starts, I will not be taking any doubts. You all have to perform as a team. Make sure that you keep the advantage or the motive of the team as the first priority.
White line can touch we and my
White color you also can touch, your helping material can also touch. Blue only you can touch. Red nothing can touch.
So from here to there also we have to go with the obstacle.
Yes, you have to bridge it. Okay? Without bridging, you cannot go. Yes.
So how do you estimate it's 4 feet or less than 4 feet?
You can ask it to me. Okay? I'll explain it to you if it is 4 feet or not. Fine. Obstacles clear to you?
Yes, sir.
This is your starting line. That is your finishing line. I'll be giving you around 45 minutes to complete this. Okay?
Yes,
Shall we begin, gentlemen?
yes, sir.
Okay, so when I say start, all of you as a team, you have to work, you have to bridge it and then you have to come towards the next obstacle. I'll be observing you all from here. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, gentlemen, start. Please make sure your bridge is stable. I don't want any of you to get injured.